Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a Roblox fail to create directory error 3. Super easy fix, and it will take you a couple of minutes to fix it, right? So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up your little run menu, and to do so you just need to press Windows and R keys, and you will get this little menu. And here you just need to write %, local app data, %, press OK. And then on local folder here, you just need to press T to basically go to temp folder here, and then press R to find Roblox and delete this folder. Don't worry, it will not affect your game. And then go back to local folder here, search for Roblox, as you can see here. And here, what you need to do here, you need to create new folder, and you need to name it downloads, and super important to name it downloads, right? So make sure to do so. And when you did that, then you just need to go to versions, and then you need to go to this folder and make sure you right click on the Roblox player beta, and go to properties, go to compatibility, and make sure you select these two options: disable full screen optimizations, and also run this program as an administrator. Press apply, OK. Same thing with Roblox player launcher. Right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility, and press disable full screen optimizations, and also run this program as an administrator. Press apply, OK, and it should fix your problem, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.